saying that right now. When I tap back in, you tell me, am I faded?
Day 2.
It's gonna be the game changer for the day though. Drinking a lot of water. Right now, it's about almost 7 a.m. here in the Maldives. I'm about to go have some breakfast. Just got up from a wild night of clear liquor. Shit, nigga was fucked up off that gin. It was dope though. Side Lagoon, Maldives. Check us out. Right, I don't know. I think it's some kind of animal. Get the fuck away from me. It looked like the same crab was eating.
Ooh, the motherfuckers know how to get.
Beautiful Maldives. Woo, woo. Scared the fuck out of me. Those sexy red birds and shit everywhere, man. This shit is live, man.
You put your HDs down?
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit. She trying to clown nigga HDs. I had come with the HDs one time. I had to pull them down a little bit. I didn't want to set the wrong impression for these foreigners. You American nigga, your pants are high. You're not sagging like Crips. I don't know where the hell we going. Fucked up.
The way you move it, gotta get into it. Come on, let's just do it.
It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is snoring here in the Maldives. Still a great time hanging out at the pool bar. Shit, precipitation is real. However, the weather, the temperature is nice. It's still nice and pleasant. The rain is not like cold and hard, so you know, it's not bad. We actually got a pretty decent day and we flew the drone a little bit today, so before it started getting too crazy, but it's live. We here, man.
Sand is wet as fuck.
Sand is wet as fuck. Trying to pace myself today. Some water with this alcohol.
Love that white.
About 5 of them. Number 2, my Mai Tai. I had a pina colada, beach bum shit. You come out here, don't do no nigga shit and come in your best shoes. Don't do that. It's about being a beach bum. You save your good shoes for the city, for a bustling environment, party atmosphere or something. But on this beach, man, there are no paved roads here. I've been walking around in my water shoes, you know, for the past couple days, and probably have them the rest of the trip. Cause there ain't no paved roads. I mean, of course, in the restaurants and the buildings, of course, you know, you got, but you know, getting in between, you got a lot of walking to do, so not a lot. You know, just dirt roads. Had to get that young golf cart, man, come get us, because it was pouring down, it was raining real tough. I got the camera on me right here. So I ain't want to get it wet. But we definitely out here having fun, smoking yours. Last year was Aruba. She thought I couldn't top it. We gonna go further. We in the future right now. You watching this, you way behind.
6.5 hours later.
We need bikes.
All right.
Get around this.
Yes, we've been walking in the same circle. Update. Day 2 here in the Maldives. The Maldives was day 2 in the Maldives. They upgraded us to a beach villa with a pool. That was live.
Outside tub and shower. Just bigger and better and still direct access to the beach. And still more to come.
Direct access to the beach. That motherfucker right there. We're gonna try to hit the gift shop today. We did eat somewhere different. What we ate at? We ate at Terra and Mar.
Yeah.
And
Got the little lobsters and the mussels and the steaks and all the crustaceans.
well, I don't know where we going now.
Well, that's the bar.
We keep getting led back to this damn bar. We gotta see. We're gonna ask where the marina is.
Worked hard for this throne, you know I'm never lazy. Not to face me, see me win, but those L's made me. Hear him talk, let him talk. All the ghosts have been called crazy. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Lot of pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up.